Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Apple Pencil to iPad. Let's get started. First generation Apple Pencil has a lightning connector under the removable cap. Second generation Apple Pencil attaches magnetic to the side of the iPad. Make sure your iPad supports the Apple Pencil version you have. So in first generation, remove the cap to expose the lightning connector. Plug into the iPad lightning port and tap pair when prompted on the screen. For second generation, attach the Apple Pencil to the magnetic side of the iPad. Tap pair when the prompt appears. Open settings, then Bluetooth, then make sure your Apple Pencil appears in the device list as connected. You can now use your Apple Pencil for drawing, note-taking, and navigating the iPad. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.